All right, hey, I thought I would try something a little different. I know I'm missing your faces, so probably, hopefully, you're missing mine. This is the end of the third week of distance learning, and so I thought I would finish the week off with a little cheerful smile. What I'm going to do today is talk about set notation and kind of the beginning of Venn diagrams. So there are actually two short videos for today, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm going to talk about set notation. In set notation, I'm going to use an analogy of like being in a club. So if there's a symbol with a capital U, that means union of two sets. It means you're in both clubs. So if there's a club of Falcon fans and a club of Braves fans, A union B is all the Falcons and all the Brave fans together. Okay. Now, the next symbol that we need to understand is an upside down U, and this represents the intersection of two sets. So in my little analogy, the intersection of two sets is if I had Falcons fans intersected with Brave fans, I would be looking for people who were both a Falcon and a Brave fan, would be people who fell into the intersection of two clubs. Now, the last one is this symbol like an apostrophe. When you see that, that means you're not in the group, or the other word is a complement. So this apostrophe means you are not a Braves fan. So Falcon, the intersection of people who are Falcon fans with people who are not Brave fans would be only people who were Falcon fans and not the baseball Braves fans. All right, so how do we put that to use in a diagram? Okay, so let's take a look at this Venn diagram which I have created. So I have 10 people in my diagram. I have some of them being Falcon fans, so that would be Brian, Jose, Jesse, Brenda, Lucas, and Carolyn are all Falcon fans. And then I have a circle of people who are Braves fans. Ava, Tyler, Davian, Lucas, and Carolyn are Braves fans. And then I have inside my box one more person, Paris. She doesn't like either the Falcons or the Braves. So I have a total of 10 names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 names. So what is the group who are Falcon fans unioned with Brave fans? So I want all the people in this circle and all the people in this circle. So if I counted them up, Brian, Jose, Jesse, Brenda, Lucas, Carolyn, Ava, Tyler, Davian, I would have 9 people. I would have 9 people out of 10 people are the union of Falcons and Braves. Now, what about the intersection? In order to be in the intersection, you have to be a Falcon fan and you have to be a Brave fan. How many people are both Falcon fans and Brave fans? That is this intersecting part. There are only 2, Lucas and Carolyn. So 2 out of 10 or 1 out of 5. Now, what about people who are Falcon fans unioned with people who are not Brave fans? Okay, so let's start with Falcon fans. Falcon fans are this circle, but we can't have anybody who's in the Brave circle. So I have to take away the Brave circle, and how many am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the people who are Falcon fans and not Brave fans. So I have to take away the Brave circle to be left with 4 out of 10. And if I simplify that, 2 out of 5. Okay, how about the opposite? How about not Falcon fans unioned with Brave fans? Okay, So not Falcon fans. These guys are not Falcon. Wait, not Falcon. If you are not a Falcon fan, you are in the outside of the circle. So who's not a Falcon fan? Ava, Tyler, Davian, and Paris are not in the circle. But my question is, that group unioned with Brave fans. So of the people that I have identified, how many of them are Brave fans? 1, 2, 3. All of these people are not Falcon fans, but these 3 are Brave fans. So that's 3 out of 10. What if I asked you for people who are just not Braves fans? Not Braves fans. Take away all the Braves fans, and who do you see? I see Brian, Jesse, Jose, Brenda, and Paris. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 out of 10 are not Braves fans. So half of my people are not Braves fans. Okay, let's do this one more time. This time, let's take a look at pizza. Always a popular topic. So, this time I have 3 different types of pizza. I have cheese pizza lovers, sausage pizza lovers, veggie pizza lovers, and Malachi over here doesn't like pizza. He's sitting outside of the box. So how many students have I talked about here? You got to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have a total of 12 people who are inside the box. Okay. First question. What is the probability if I take one of these 12 people that they're going to like cheese? Okay. So how many people are in the cheese circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of the 12 are in the cheese circle. So the probability of one of these people liking cheese is 7 out of 12. Okay? What's the probability when I pick one of these people? They are not in the veggie circle. Not veggie. So take all the veggie people and cover them up. All these people are not veggie pizza lovers. How many people is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Funny, same number, 7 out of 12. All right, next question. What is the probability when I pick one of these 12 people that they will like cheese or sausage? When I talk about it this way, when I'm putting this union, I'm using the word or. Cheese or sausage. So I am looking for everyone who's in the cheese and everyone who's in the sausage. So that means Briseda's out and Malachi's out. Okay, so how many people is that? Well, if I've taken 2 out and there are 12 people, there are 10 people who are in the cheese circle or in the sausage circle. So 10 out of 12, that would be 5 out of 6. Okay, next one. What about those people who are in the cheese and in the sausage? So when I talk about intersection now, I'm talking about the word and. Who are the people who like cheese and sausage on their pizza? Well, that would be me if I was in here. So I have to be in the cheese circle and I have to be in the sausage circle. So the people who are in both cheese, this circle, and sausage, this circle, are Carolyn, Douglas, and Collins. So that is 3 out of my 12 people, or 1 out of 4. Okay, last question. Who are the people who like cheese and sausage and veggies? So this time they have to be in all the circles. All right, so let's go back because we know that these three are in the cheese and the sausage, but now we need to know who of those three is in the veggie. Well, that means I'm looking at this piece that's intersecting from all the circles. So the cheese, sausage, veggie is Douglas and Collins. So that is 2 out of my 12 people, and that would be 1 out of 6. Okay, and I'm going to stop there with the first video.